SEMA 2018, brand new for Edelbrock this year in our Pro-Flo 4 injection line. If you have an LS1 or LS3 or LS2, LS3 engine that you've taken out of the junkyard, you got it out of a truck, SUV, Camaro, whatever, what do you do for the electronics package? Instead of dealing with that large, big, cumbersome factory wiring harness and giant computer that you need to have reprogrammed and the harness redone, you come to Edelbrock. We have our brand new Pro-Flo 4 wiring harness. Has the whole coil pack ignition system here. Comes with a complete ignition harness, the ECM tablet to run it, O2 sensor to go in the exhaust. But the best part of the whole thing is our self-learning, self-tuning Pro-Flo 4 software that you can set up at home, fire the car, and you're down the road. Works with your 24X and your 53X reluctant wheels. Put it on and drive the car home today.